This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Christy Woods. This 3-bedroom 2-bath Brown County home is on 4.23 air conditioner of beautiful lands where nature abounds. There is room for gardening and so much more. This home also has its own blackberry patch. A creek with a tiny waterfall at the road makes for a relaxing atmosphere. Vinyl plank floor is less than 1 year old and amp. The bedroom carpet is 6 months old. New blue metal roof was installed last fall. 3-car garage has electricity and amp, a wood stove for heat. This diamond in the rough is calling your name. For more information, review the details below or contact Christy Woods at 317-223-6662.